everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Vermicelli or Semiya is a constant in our Indian pantries. Now we can make several varieties of tiffins and sweets with vermicelli. So today I am going to share another interesting and easy recipe. It's called Semiya tomato khichdi. Very obvious from the name that we are going to make this with a lot of tomatoes. So let's get started and check it out. The first step is to roast the vermicelli or the semiya. To a pan, add 1.5 teaspoons of ghee. Next, add about 1 cup of vermicelli. So whichever cup you're using to measure the vermicelli, make sure you use the same cup to measure the water quantity also. Roast the vermicelli till it turns to a nice golden brown color. So you can see it's gradually turning to a lovely golden brown color. Turn off the stove at this point, transfer it to another plate and keep it aside. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee and roast the peanuts. Now peanuts are optional. I'm adding the peanuts to give it a nice crunch. So you can also add cashew nuts if you like instead of peanuts. Once you've roasted the peanuts, keep this aside. So next I'm going to temper a few ingredients. To another nice wide pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. So next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds. Just mix it a little. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is Asafoetida Powder. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped. Just saute that for a minute. Next add 2 large cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Next add 2 green chilies chopped. Add a few curry leaves and mix everything well. After sauteing the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, add 2 large tomatoes chopped. Mix that in. Also add 1/4 cup of fresh green peas. So if you do want to add a little more vegetables, you can add some carrots and beans to the vermicelli. Saute the vegetables on medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add a pinch of turmeric powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. So for 1 cup of vermicelli, I'm adding 1.5 cups of water. Pour the water. Gently mix everything. Close the pan and cook the peas for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the pan and add the roasted vermicelli. Mix everything well. Reduce the flame to a medium-low. Close the pan and let the vermicelli cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the vermicelli, that is the semiya, is cooked beautifully. There's no excess moisture or water left in the pan. Gently mix it. So now I'm going to add the roasted peanuts and mix everything well. The Semiya tomato khichdi is done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm serving it with some simple coconut chutney by the side, but you can enjoy it however you like. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. This is a very quick evening tiffin or morning breakfast that you can make in minutes. I'll give you a couple of other simple tiffin recipes that you can try. Do check them out as well. So there is a simple and tasty Semiya tomato khichdi. You can enjoy this for breakfast or some nice light dinners. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.